Well, folks, I have my summer pretty much planned out, and you will be with me in these adventures. I will be going fishing. I will be going on the 20th of June. I'll be going to Schaumburg to the Abilities Expo, and I'll take some pictures and do some videos and maybe do an interview here and there. Um, I will, what else? Family will be coming, so I'll be making some trips there, perhaps to the zoo, perhaps um, to a museum, an art museum. So a lot of places, and I hope to bring you with me. I'm sure there'll be some areas where it won't be allowed to film, but I can take some pictures, family, and how we did that. And that's the key. How am I going to do all this? How am I going to go fishing? How am I going to go to Schaumburg? How am I going to go, with all these trips with my family? So those are the key things that I want you to see, that this is not impossible to get out. It's not impossible to enjoy the summer. It's not impossible to have a dream and to put it out there, make it known that you want to do X, Y, Z. Um, you know, it can happen. You just have to put it forward and find the right people who are able to take you from point A to point B and willing to assist you a little bit. In the fishing, I might need a little assistance. My shoulders are not that good anymore for throwing that bait out there or under the arm. So, but I'm hoping I can, for the most part, do some casting and bring in my own little fishy. Hopefully a big one, hopefully a fighter. I love those. Um, in Schaumburg, I hope to meet a whole bunch of people. And the cards this year that I have for the channel is going to make a big difference. Let me see if I can pull one here. Ow. I just poked myself here with something. Here we go. So here are the cards. So they're nice. They have our logo and phone number, all that kind of stuff. So that's important. The back is empty, but so here it is. And I'll have plenty of those with me and share those around, and that will help us get people visiting the site and leaving messages, making comments. We might be able to do some live interviewing, with other organizations that you might benefit from learning who they are and what they can do for you. So much can be done, and so much will be because you're going to come with me. And so this is going to be on the channel, on my personal life, and who I go with and how I go with and how I do these fun things. I love nature, so as you all know. And so I want to get out there, even if I couldn't fish. I just want to get out there to nature, enjoy, listen to the birds, listen to the wind, and be around big trees and things that are growing and popping up for the spring into summer. So if you want to come with me, I might have to do a live stream. So and I'll see if I can do that, how I can do that. I've never done a live stream on the move, so we'll have to figure that one out. But if you have any tips for me, feel free to send me an email on how to do a live stream. But for the most part, I think I'll do some short films and just connect them all together, and then you'll see, what happened where and with who. So if there's anything you would like me to do during this summer, and perhaps when my family is here, feel free to pitch in and give me some ideas for the Milwaukee area or outside of Milwaukee. that we could all jump in the van and Heidi ho up to a new spot to visit and have some fun. All right, folks. Summer is just starting. I'm hoping you make some plans to go out and to have some fun, at least to 2, 3 different places, or have something organized at your home if you can't go out, and just have fun with family and friends. And that's what summer is for. So plan it out, think about it, and let us know how it went.